yeah, check her out. Like, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm back with another video, guys. As y'all can see, I got my paid girl crop hoodie on, not hoodie, sweater, whatever. Y'all, it fits me so good. Like, this is a medium, y'all. This is a medium. This is what a medium looks like. It's cropped and I'm loving it. It's flared up, it's not tight. It is, I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. Like, here's the back. Here's the bag, period, on our website. Link in the description box below. We're gonna be showing you guys our beanies. Unfortunately, we could not wait until we record this video to unbox them, but I'm still gonna show you guys that, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my pay girl planner. This video is going to be fairly short compared to my last videos, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I think and the colors and stuff like that, and how long the process took, and the process. If you guys want to know step by step of how you can make your own beanies, I've basically done broke it down into series of videos and stuff like that. You can go back on my channel and watch those videos as well. I got 4 different beanies, 4 different styles, 4 different colors. I did like 2 blacks and 2 pinks basically. So we're gonna start with the blacks first. I tried to do the black and white so it can go with everything. Honestly, guys, I'm going to insert a picture of my mock-up. As you guys can see, you guys seen my mock-up as well when I designed it with you guys. I believe you guys seen it, but I see my mock-up. It kind of looks like it a little bit. It kind of doesn't look like it. Only thing that I dislike is I don't like the way the letters look on my behalf, but this is my first beanie release or whatever, but it's okay. My next drop, I know what to do and I know what to look for now that I know that how they make them and how they print them on the hat and how it's going to look or whatever. Next time I'm going to spice it up in the front. I'm going to change up the font and all that good stuff. Our next beanie drop, yeah, it'll be fire. But I really love the back. The back, I was not expecting this, guys. I was not expecting the back to be so like sharp. Like, I thought it was gonna be like smudged together. I thought it was gonna really be worse than the front. But I do believe in my designs, but I just be skeptical. You know what I'm saying? You never know how stuff is gonna turn out, and I see how it turned out or whatever, and I like it. I actually do like it. I love the back though. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? Actually, y'all see me, period. Yeah, I want to take pictures, y'all. I really do. I really do. I'm going to take some pictures today, actually. I'm going to take some pictures once I get off, because yeah, I want to take some pictures. So I did a hot pink, actually. Like, I tried to, like, you know what I'm saying, you know, I did not do pink and black. I mean like the pink base and the black words. I didn't do that one. I was thinking about that, but I was just like, it's kind of too much to just mix it up. I do want to do more colors on a next drop or whatever, but yeah, this is the hot pink and the black or whatever. It's the same design, it's the same lettering, it's just the hot pink. I love this hot pink. It's popping. Like, it's really popping. Y'all see how popping this is? Like, I don't even have no effects on nothing. Like, none of my videos have no effects. This is the real color. This is how it looks. Like, no bullshit. This is the next one. This is a hot pink and the light pink with the light pink words. I really love this one as well. This can go with any outfit. I tried to do the pinks where, like, you can switch it up. You can wear hot pinks, light pinks, and stuff like that with this. Also, guys, I forgot to show you guys the inside. The inside is just regular. The inside is like a regular hat or whatever. It's very soft, and I really love these hats. Like, the quality is actually great. They're thick. You know what I'm saying? They're not thin. They're stretchable. Yeah, so like when you put it on your noggin, you know what I'm saying, it won't be too small. So this is the last color right here. It's the light pink with the hot pink words. I actually love this one too. I actually like this one the best, and I believe the black and white one I like the best too. But yeah, so I'm gonna try one on for y'all, even though my hair is, you know what I'm saying, looking done and stuff. So I'm gonna try one on for y'all on cam. This is my first time trying one on. Hold on, wait. I'm trying to get it to where I want it to, like, y'all see me? Yeah, yeah, check her out. Like, check her girl out, period. They are on sale right now for $15.99 because I do not like the design. I know, like, I'm a perfectionist. I do not like the design. They're on sale right now for $15.99, I believe, or $17.99 one. Y'all, make sure y'all go shop and go support. It is in the description box below. But before we wrap up this video very short. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Y'all know how I told y'all a couple of videos ago about this new wave of little money on the side that y'all could do or whatever. So I took it upon myself. I was just like, let me show these guys. Let me show these girls or guys, because I don't know if y'all males or females watch my video. It don't matter. Hey girl, hey. Yeah, so I wanted to show you guys, like, as my stuff come to life. So the 2 books that I did have published at the time, because I did order these like last week. I think I ordered these before or after I made the video. I think I ordered these before I made the video. But yeah, so the 2 books that I made, the 2 books I was showing you guys in a tutorial about BookBoat and Amazon and stuff like that. Y'all, I ordered them. I ordered my own books to show you guys. Like, I designed these and I uploaded these on Amazon, period. I'm finna show you guys. So I did want to do a paid girl planner. I was like, let me see if I can do a paid girl planner, but we finna go to the basic stuff first before I get into all of that. So this is the Mother's Day. This is the Mother's Day. I hope y'all can see it. Yeah, this is the Mother's Day notebook. This little simple notebook. I bumped it down to $5.99 once I seen it in person, because, like, you know, it's just a simple little book. It's something that, like, you get really quick and really cheap. I made these right here. This one, it just have the same pages, and y'all know, like, I showed y'all in the tutorial of how to do these pages right here. It is not in color because you have to pay extra for color, but it's basically all the same page, and it's just like a small little notebook with a little tag on it. It's by me, y'all. I made this. I did. And I made a custom one just to see if I could. You know, a girl got a tester. I got a tester, and it came out perfectly. It came out exactly how I designed it. I designed it on BookBoat, y'all. On BookBoat. So, y'all, I wasn't lying. I wasn't lying when I told y'all, like, this is legit. This Pretty Paid Girl small business planner. If you have a small business and you're looking for a small little planner to take everywhere, y'all, I got y'all. Look at it. It's cute. I designed this myself. This is one of our logos. This is one of our girls or whatever in this small business planner. And I got PPG on the back. And y'all see the clouds. Y'all see her. I made this by myself. And everything I used except for my logos and my picture came from BookBoat. The clouds, the background, the lettering, the inside. I'm going to show you guys the inside. Everything came from BookBoat. I put definition of girl boss. Period. I'm really proud of this. This book belongs to, yeah, and I got monthly planners in there for every month. I did not put a date on there, so you can use it anytime. I don't like planners with dates. I don't know if nobody else is like that, but I do not like planners with dates. We got an expense list. Let me show you guys. If you hurry up and focus. I don't know, it's because yeah, we got an expense page. We got a inventory list tracker right here. What else we got in here? We got a to-do list and all the extra stuff, and then it goes back to the monthly planners. And then in the middle of the page, in the middle of the book, in the middle of the book, I have 3 pages for, like, taking notes, and you can have dates, and you got a savings tracker in between. Like, at the 6-month mark, you have a savings tracker and the debt tracker. And also at the end, what did I put? At the end of the 12 months, at the end of the book, I feel like this is important for, like, a lot of small businesses, and they forget to do it. You know what I'm saying? It happens to the best of us, you know, but you can do this throughout the year as well. So it has a tax sheet for the year. As y'all can see, y'all can break down, I don't know if y'all can see, y'all can break down your taxes and your expenses and stuff like that. Yeah, tax information, I put all that in there at the end to help you guys out. It has columns, questions, and to-do lists, so you guys can check off everything you need for your taxes and stuff like that. I make sure I included everything to think about you guys. But yeah, this is a very compact, cute little planner. It's paperback and it's very affordable. These are for $15.99 as well on my Amazon, and it's going to be in the description box below. Make sure you guys go get a big paid girl beanie, paid girl merch, period, in the description box below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.